A very good evening to one and all, ladies and gentlemen. As you all know, today we are going to start our journey on the subject of Uttara, and today I'll be giving you a brief orientation on how we do things in Pratiknya, how you'll be able to get the recordings, how it'll be easier for you to be let in the room, and all the details such as that. So I'll just give you a brief introduction, and as you know, there are only very few people right now, but I'm very sure afterwards we'll be posting this in the group, and they'll be able to get this see this later on also. So please ask everyone, if you know, if your friends are there in this class, please ask them to please read the instructions very thoroughly, and follow the instructions thoroughly, so it'll be easier for everyone. So next slide. Let me start my duty. Yeah, as you all know, we have Dr. Bharades Narendra and Pratibha CK taking classes for us. Next, please. Yeah. So yeah. So these are the guidelines that I want to go through with all of you today. And so if you are new here, please, there's a method by which we make it easy for us as well as the participants to get inside the room easier. So this is the one thing that we want you to follow. That is, you should have your roll number. Now, yeah, a lot of you have already put roll numbers, and I thank you, and thank you for that. But there are few people who doesn't know or are new here, who don't know how to do that. So we have, I believe you all know that we have added you in a WhatsApp group, new WhatsApp group for Uttravasti. And in that WhatsApp group, you will have, you would have received a PDF file with all the roll numbers, right? So your roll number will be there in that group. So once you find that roll number, I want you to prefix that roll number to your name. Like a lot of doctors have already done here. If you can go to the participants list, you will find a lot of doctors who have already done that. Yeah, yeah, all the doctors who are here have done that. Thanks to all of them. So I don't, I'm sure that all of you know how to do that. So thanks to you. So let's move on. I think it is very clear. All you have to do is, this is just for the sake of people who will be, seeing this later on. So what you need to do is, you have to prefix your roll number first, and then a space, and then your name. That is all. Okay. Let's move on to the next point, which is, yeah. So this WhatsApp group right now, we have just kept it only open for only the chat is only by from the admin group. Now after today's the first class, we will be opening the chat to all the participants, right? And we'll be adding the teachers also to this group. So what will happen? So after this class, what will happen? If you have any questions to a teacher, you can ask in this group. Okay, so please make sure that you read all the questions of the previous, the participants who have put the questions. Please read that also, so that we don't get the repeated questions again and again. So once you go through that, most of the questions, say if 100 questions are there, you will know that there will be 100 answers for that. So you don't have to repeat it again. So even if after 6 months you can come back to this group and see, there'll be a lot of questions answered, so it'll be easier for you to learn also, right? So we'll be adding teachers and the faculties to this group. Please, the previous slide, please. And all you have to do is, ask the questions there. And please for the, please do not ask questions to teachers directly. The reason is, there are more than 100 people in the course right now. If 100 people ask 100 questions privately, it will not be, easy for a teacher to answer, right? And most of the questions will be repeating. So we don't want that. That's the reason we ask you to post in the WhatsApp group, and it'll help the other participants to learn also. They might not have thought about that questions. Maybe, when you put the question, it'll help the others also. So please post it in the group. Also, please do not forward any forwarded messages, because we don't want that. well, like even we don't forward messages in the group unless and until it is for any other course related. Others we don't encourage. So please refrain from posting any forwarded third party messages in the group. Okay. Next is yeah. Next, please. Yeah, if you have any problem, suppose you are not able to get into the room, or if you are kept waiting since a lot of people are coming in and you are stuck in the waiting room, please do not post in the group, because we will not be as admins, we will not be looking into the group always. We'll always be when we are doing the program, will be our concentration will be in the class, and will not be able to check the messages at that time. So we might not see the messages. If you have any concerns, please do send it directly to the personally to the admins. So I'm very sure you are familiar with Dr. Anjana and Dr. Rahul. So you can send it to them, and they'll be able to help you. Okay. Now, yeah, the other policies, yeah, please look at the instructions, read them carefully, and try to follow, all the instructions that we have given you. Unwanted messages we have already told, please don't do that. And please do not share the ID and password of this meeting to anyone else, because we will be allowing only one instance of a person inside. For example, roll number 20, Dr. Rahul, will be only one instant will be allowed inside. You will not be able to get in with two devices. So what will happen if you give it to somebody else, and if somebody else uses your name, only one person will be allowed inside, right? So please don't do that also. It will be difficult for the participants later on. Then every day, I'm very sorry, the time is a bit different in this because this is for another program. So we will be starting every day, opening the room at 5:30, and 6 o'clock sharp we will be starting the class. Okay, so 5:30 we will open the room, so that it will be much easier for you to get in. And please avoid the last minute rush, because everyone will come in the last minute, and we'll have to check the roll number with our list and then let you in. So it takes around 20-30 seconds for us to let in one person. So if 100 people come at that time, it'll be that much time it will take. So please come in a little bit early and switch off your videos, and you can just switch it on at the start of the class only, and we'll be taking the attendance in the first 15 minutes. That is all. After that, you can switch off your videos, no problem here. Okay. Now, yeah, that is it. I have already covered that. Next slide, please. Okay, there is one more thing that I would love to show you. That is how to get the recordings of our program. Okay, so I'm just sharing my slide right now. Okay, I hope everyone can see. So this is teachable.com. So this is the site where we post our videos and all the classes, everything. But you are not supposed to go to teachable.com. Okay, you are supposed to go to pratik pradiknya at .teachable.com. Okay, this is teachable.com. Don't go there. Okay, go to pradiknya.teachable.com. So that will help you get access to directly to our this one classes, courses. Okay, so only thing is go to login, and I'm just showing this as an example. So for example, one second. Yeah, I hope this is my password. I don't remember. So whatever the yeah, so whatever the email ID you have registered with us will be your email ID, that the membership. Sorry, the ID, and the password is 123456. So that is for a person who is the first time joining this course. For already a person joined a previous course in this one, the password will not be changing. Okay, so please make sure of that. And once you log into this, okay, now since I am the owner of this, I have all these courses. You'll be able to see only one. Since okay, this is the first. This is the Uttaravasti. Now, if you click on that, you can go to it'll be like this. One second, I'll just show you another program so that it'll be much easier for you. So for example, this is our Kerala Panchakarma. So if you go like this, there'll be, see, if you can see a list of classes that is that'll be on the topic, right? So since we have only 4 days of topic in Uttaravasti, so only four will be there. Four plus intro and introduction, that part also will be there. That is all. So right now what I have uploaded is only the introduction. Okay, just so that you'll be familiar. Right now you'll not be, yeah, this is just the introduction that we had last time. So by tomorrow morning you will all be able to access these videos, the introduction as well as today's class you will get tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow by noon, please sign in, log in, and see if you are able to see this. If not, let the admins know and they will help you. They will guide you on how to do it. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So if you click on that, so you'll go to this video, and if you click here, you'll be able to see the video. That's all. Yeah, yeah, that is me on that day. Very sorry. Okay, so that is how you can take the videos. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, do not worry. Yeah. Mm, I can't stop talking, right? So this is how you get the video. So if you have any doubts, you can ask us anytime, no problem at all. But please do message us directly in order for us to notice that. And also please keep a positive mindset, because we are all doctors. We are not techie people. We are also learning. So I hope you'll have the patience and God. I pray to God that He gives you patience to deal with us. And please, if you find this useful, please do tell your friends and colleagues about us, and help us reach more people. So with that, let me stop. So I'll let Dr. Anjana Unnikrishnan take over from here. Dr. Anjana, hello. Hello. Yeah. So
Hello, hello.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. So you can take over from here. So I wish all of you best of luck, guys. Thank you. See ya.